So I've got a histogram question, so I'll remind you of that all-important formula for histograms. The frequency equals the interval width times the frequency density. Now we have the frequency and we can easily work out the interval width. We're going to need to find out the frequency density. So the frequency density will be the frequency divided by the interval width. So we'll go to the table and we'll look at the widths. So our first interval has a width of 10, second interval has a width of 5, as does the third. The fourth interval is 10, and the final interval is 20. So for the frequency density, we have 4 divided by 10, which is 0.4. We have 8 divided by 5 for the next interval, which is 1.6. We have 24 over 5, so 5 goes into 24 4 times, and 4/5 is 0.8. You can use a calculator to do this if you wish. 16 over 10 is 1.6, and finally 5 over 20 is going to be 0.25. So we're now going to have to put our own scale on the vertical axis for frequency density. And looking at the kind of squares, we're coming here, here, here. I need to go up. My highest value is 4.8. So you can see the way I've set it up will give me the ability to do that. And there's 10 little squares between the integer values, so each little square will be worth 0.1. So our task now then is to draw all the bars with the correct width. So the first width is 0 to 10 from 0.4. So that will come in just below 0.5, across like that. Now it's quite difficult for me to draw it accurately on the device that I'm using, but it would be something like that. Then we've got a gap of 5 up to 15, and we go to 1.6. So 1.6 just above there, down like that, and down like that. Then we've got to go all the way up to 4.8, another gap of 5. So I'm going to run my finger up there to 4.8, come across, and back down. Obviously this is just a sketch. You'll be able to do it nice, much better than I can with a proper ruler. I'm now going to do the interval width of 10, and 10 is 1.6 again. So I'll line that up here, across to 10, to 30 rather. And then from 20 to 30 I go to, or should I say from 30 to 50, I've got to go to 0.25. Again, to get this exactly right, you'll need a ruler. And go between the second and the third square. Come across to 50 and down. And that is a reasonably good rough sketch of the histogram. Work out your frequency densities, put your scale on, and then draw in your lines using a ruler, unlike me.